Throttling is the intentional slowing of the speed typically available over your internet connection to regulate network traffic and minimize bandwidth congestion. BTC Broadband is committed to providing the best online experience possible and will never throttle internet speeds. It's important to understand the difference between throttling and the other online activities that can impact your overall experience. Heavy online gaming might slow down other online activities in your household. Some online games may have been developed to throttle speeds during heavy usage, making it seem like it's your internet service provider who's doing the throttling. Streaming can be affected by the number of users, the types of devices, and the quality of streaming. Software updates for computers and other devices that use the internet can often be running behind the scenes without your knowing about it. Usually this isn't an issue, but large updates can use much of your available bandwidth when running. Multiple browser tabs and open windows can put a real strain on your computer. Be sure to close anything you don't need. Viruses slow computer performance. Spyware drains memory and slows functionality as well. We strongly recommend protecting your network by installing antivirus software on each computer in your home. Make sure they are kept up to date, perform regular scans, and remove malicious programs and